there, but I do have plans. An additional space with security and also your the room itself has nice cruises I've been on, whether it's oval room inside the shop. Yeah, it's a lot of cruise ships, but I've never seen bar in the atrium. Thank you. Yes. The only one. But if you'd like to learn more, when you get on the ship, you can also have the salon. Not the only one. On this ship. They claim that they can do it under. Wait for your bags. Here's baggage check. Super empty. This is pretty impressive. I don't have to go over there. That's the fastest I've ever got off.